showing you how to apply and become a cabin crew with Emirates Airways airline. A lot of people have requested this video. And so, yeah, that's what I will be doing today. To my returning subscribers, thank you. And if you are new here, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit that notification button. With your device connected to internet, go to your browser and type in Emirates Cabin Crew. Click Enter button if you are using your computer or laptop, and those using smartphones, click on Search. Now, click on the first link. This link will direct you to the official page of Emirates Cabin Crew jobs. Once on this page, you will see what is required to be a cabin crew with Emirates. Have at least 1 year of customer service or hospitality experience. On this page, you will also see the recruitment events across the world. There are two options here, open day and invite only. For open day, you don't need to apply. That is why there is no application button on the open day event. So, if there is any open day in your country or near you, you are eligible to attend. But on open days, there are a lot of applicants. I can't emphasize more on how many they are. But again, it is all about your luck. Some people prefer the open day, while others prefer invite only. Emirates has provided the applicants with the details on what to wear. For ladies, please wear makeup, full coverage, hair neatly tied with a bun at the back, and a business attire. For the gents, a formal suit and a clean haircut. Before you click on that apply button, please make sure you have all the required documents ready. That is your CV, cover letter, a formal passport-sized photo, and a formal full-length photo. Some use 4 photos, but the mentioned 2 are the major ones. Now click the apply button. You will be required to create an account. If you are a new user, to register, you will create a username and a password. Please read the instructions on how the password should be. It should begin with a capital letter, have at least one special character and a letter. I have had so many people having problem creating an account and end up paying other people for the service. I highly don't recommend this because it is not safe. Please keep your data private. After you are done, you will be directed to the application page, where you will be required to fill in your personal details, upload your documents, and answer all the details on the location and time of your interview. Once you are successful and sign the contract, the training takes up to 6 weeks, that is 2 weeks. During these 2 weeks, you are trained how to make passengers safe and feel comfortable during the flight and provide excellent customer service to them. Then, you can now start working and live in Dubai. Emirates will provide you with an accommodation where the only bills you pay is internet and food. And now, you get paid to travel the world. To all the cabin crew wannabes, I wish you all the luck in the world. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give me thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.